Three, two, one.
Friends, and welcome to another episode of Bollywood This Week. Friends, the movie we should review this week is none other than the Malayalam movie Almara. Well, friends, trust me, whatever anybody tells you about this movie, watch this review, and I promise to you, after watching my review, you're gonna go straight away into a theater and watch this movie because, friends, this movie is an unintentional comedy of errors, and the characters don't try to force comedy on you, and at the end product which comes to us, that is Alamara, remains etched in your memory way even after coming back home. I watched this movie last night and I can't stop myself laughing from the characters who played by Ajju Varghese in this movie. Ajju Varghese has played a fantastic character in this movie. Ajju Varghese's character is called as Survin in the movie. This guy simply gets rejected for marriage because the girl she's going to get married, the heroine of a movie, Aditi Ravi, rejects him because he is very short. I mean, the whole movie, Ajju Varghese has kept an expression like, why the hell did I get rejected from marriage? Fantastic. To Manika Nandan Achari. Trust me, if I was an award function, organizer or someone, Manika Nandan Achari as Super Mama Uncle would have taken away the best comedian award this year. This guy, funnily black, the scene where he's having bath and putting soap on his face, and a hero, Sunny Wayne, Arun tells to him, do you have bath with this soap? And still the color, epic scene, and the way this guy gets completely drunk, dodging the police on the check post and bringing the Almara to Bangalore. That scene is not to be missed. And special mention and full marks to Seema Nair. I mean, playing a mother-in-law with so much angst, and you feel really angry on her because she's played a cunning mother in the movie, and especially Mr. Ranji Panikar, who plays Mr. Finoy. Actually it's called Phenyl, but her wife tells Phenyl, something pronunciation. He is fantastic in the movie, and full marks to Aditi Ravi. I have never seen such a gorgeous looking, Malayalam actress in my life. She is very beautiful, and trust me, the kids, the youngsters who had come to watch this movie, Almara, were whistling in the theater seeing her. Sunny Wayne, very orthodox looking guy, very unconventional looks, doesn't look like a hero material, but the performance this guy gives, fantastic. Even in the comedy scenes he excels, and in the climax where he pushes his wife, beautiful scene, really sets the pace. But the winner of this movie for me is Mr. Salim Kumar, the voiceover for Alamara. Well, friends, when you take a narrator in the movie, and that being an object which is an object which is unmovable and you can't expect it to talk, and that getting so much of interest of the audience into the movie is a fantastic aspect. We've seen narrators of different sort, different categories, a dog, a pigeon, and even a lion in English movies, but an Almara, a cupboard talking to you, and the whole process that they have shown, it goes along with the hero Arun, where Arun is getting in love, getting married, after marriage the fight takes place, and the Almara, the story of the Almara, how did it come into existence by breaking a very long tree in Kerala and scrapping it to painting it and becoming an Almara, and Almara which costs 90,000. Yes friends, let me tell you this information. Almara is 90,000, which come to know in the end of the movie, being made into an Almara is fantastically shown by director Midun Manuel Thomas. And trust me, there is a certain character, Sadiq, who plays, the father of our heroine. He is also fantastic in the movie, especially my heart goes out to the fathers. They have played a fantastic role, all of them very nice in the movie. So friends, why am I raving it all about? Let's see in the review of the movie Alamara. Alamara is a very simple story. The starting scene of this movie will make you sit for this movie with a smile on your face. Arun, our hero Sunny Wayne, is going to get married in the movie, and suddenly the call comes, and the call is picked up by a certain uncle. This uncle name I couldn't get it. The uncle declares the wife has eloped, the wife has gone to every car, there are about 10 to 15 cars, and everyone comes to know, oh, the bride went, seriously, what happened? That scene sets the tone fantastic. So the wedding has been cancelled, the movie begins. First scene, Ajju Varghese has been sent by her mother to see a girl. The girl in context is none other than Aditi Ravi, a heroine of the movie. Aditi Ravi tells that she wants a dulha, a groom, should be bigger in height but not a smallie. Well, friends, Aju Varghese takes this on heart, and the next day Aju Varghese and a hero Sunny Vain, they both go to Bangalore. Why they go to Bangalore? They work in a bank in Bangalore, friends, and that's why they go there. When they go to Bangalore, they come they come to know that the girl whose Aju Varghese marriage was going to take place, she is coming to Bangalore. Yes, friends, Sunny Vain's mother calls Sunny Vain and tells that the girl is coming to Bangalore and she needs a PG. She also works in a bank. Till then, it's all okay, all fine. Aju Varghese tells that I am not going to find a house for her, so that some rascal gets put out her and gets married. I am not getting into it. Well, friends, the first scene is fantastic. How the girl comes to Bangalore, and when Arun, our hero Sunny Vain, sees her for the first time, he falls flat for her. Seriously falls in love, and the bank where they work is absolutely hilarious. The bank manager, trust me, the bank manager for which Arun works is absolutely cracked. This guy thinks of work all the time. Well, friends, after that, Arun and a heroine Swati, they're both starting meeting each other. Aditi Ravi, Sunny Vain, when they meet at a coffee shop, that scene is hilarious. He's like stuck on. I cannot tell I love you. He proposes marriage. He tells if families are okay with it, I don't have any problem. And then, we can marry with each other. That's the time when the tree starts getting cut. Yes, friends, the reference of the tree and Arun's story are fantastically shown in the movie. Well, friends, he proposes to her and she says yes. The families sit together, but there's a problem in this movie. The problem is Sonu Jacob. Sonu Jacob is another beautifully looking girl. She's going to become a heroine someday. Trust me, she wants to get a job in a bank. Yes, friends, she's studying for a banker's job and she wants a job in a bank and wants to go to Bikaner. I don't know why, but everyone is, pissed off with her. She doesn't pass the exam. In the end, you feel like, when the hell will she pass her exam? She doesn't pass her exam, she doesn't get a job, and they tell, wait for 6 months. After 6 months, when she gets a job, we'll both get married to each other. That's when Seema Nair, Arun's mother, is fantastic in the movie. But Manju Satish, what a gorgeous lady. I mean, her hair, I fell in love with her hair. Seriously, she plays the mother of Aditi Ravi in the movie. Fantastic actor. So things move forward and there is a love song in the middle. They go back to Bangalore. They take an apartment. They stay in there. They take a flat. So friends, 6 months pass away and everyone gets in tension. Right from a hero, Aditi Ravi's mother, to Sunny Vain's mother, they call each other. What is happening? Why are you not fixing the marriage? It's already 4 months. When the hell will daughter get a job? That's when things go very bad and both the mothers fight with each other. Your daughter is waste, your son is waste, he's not capable of marrying me, blah blah blah. The marriage is going to get cancelled. But both of them, Sunny Vain and Aditi Ravi, have a fantastic chemistry and they both decide to marry each other in a court ceremony. Well, friends, then the families meet together and decide, let's stop all this fighting and let's have a good proper marriage. So the marriage takes place, and after the marriage, the scenes are fantastic. Trust me, friends, after marriage, when the bride comes to the house, Seema Nair is a treat to watch. Right from the bangle scene when she gives the bangle, early morning she gets up and she tells, Amme, do you have any work? She does wash the waste vessels and all that. Fantastic. But they're not staying there for a very long time. But there is a ceremony. There is a ceremony that after marriage you have to give an almara. The parents of Aditi Ravi bring a fantastically looking, gorgeous cupboard, which everyone wants to have. And the cupboard comes into the house and creates a lot of problems. Seriously, but the couple go to Bangalore and leave the cupboard over there. But, Seema Nair has a problem with that cupboard. During that final uncle, Ranji Panekar, cuts his finger and that cupboard is causing a lot of problems. Well, friends, the story is okay till there. Very nicely subtle going around, but the main thing, the plus point for me in this movie was a land deal. I'll tell you, in Bangalore, our hero Sunny Vain, Aju Varghese and two of their friends, one is a bodybuilder, one is a slim guy, have a plot in Kamahalli in outer ring road of Bangalore, where they booze, when even Manikandan Acharya uncle Meme come there and cooks chicken for them, they booze. They don't want to sell the area. But friends, the highlight of this movie and the guy you will fall in love in this movie is Indrans. Indrans plays Shetty uncle in this movie. He is fantastic in the movie. Let me tell you, Shetty is a goon, a Tamilian goon who wants that land, and that's when Alamara becomes a winner for me, because it's originality at its best. Trust me, he wants that land, and how these gangs clash And in the interval, Shetty sends goons and throws all of them out and puts a land that this property belongs to Mr. Shetty, and the interval takes place. After the interval, when the story moves forward, the Alamara is now have to come to Bangalore because the Arun's mother has had enough. So friends, the scene for me, the scene of the movie is when the Alamara has been brought to Bangalore and Uncle Manikandan Achari, full drunk, hey, Chita, comes to Bangalore. Is absolutely hilarious. You will laugh at it. And when Arun's friend tells, I'm a bodybuilder, I'm a muscle guy, I'm going to take this cupboard on me, and he's like, "Ugh," and goes like, I have sprained every part of my body. Fantastic. Alamara comes into the house. Story moves forward, friends. The Alamara, doesn't close because unfortunately, Manikandan Achari has done some mischief with the cupboard. He bought some liquor bottles. Cupboard doesn't close, so he kicks the cupboard. One day, now the friends have decided that the property papers of that certain land is with Sunny and Sunny's friends. So friends, Sunny keeps those documents inside the cupboard, but the wife is so angry she locks the cupboard and goes to Mumbai. Well, friends, those scenes are absolutely hilarious. When the wife locks the Almara and goes away, and all of them are drinking, and tomorrow 10 o'clock they have to go and meet the lawyer. Epic! Can you believe this? These guys go to a lockmaker, a Malayali. They tell, even we are Malayali, you are Malayali, please help us in breaking the cupboard. That scene is a very, very innovative scene. The Malayali tells that, oh, your wife is gone, you want to break the cupboard. Ille poi. Excellent. That scene is superb. Epic scene. Well, they come back home and they call a thief. Literally, friends, they call a thief to break the cupboard, and the thief is fantastic. I couldn't get his name. Black shirt, white tie, comes and opens the cupboard, and when the lights come out, he's missing. He's not to be seen anywhere. And he also robs the wife's necklace and goes, which we come to know later in the movie. But friend, before that, epic scene, our Manikandan Achari, Super Mama, brings in some goons from Kerala, and they literally Ajju Varghese over here and Manikandan Achari over here, bombs in hand, and they're like, yeah, boy. What a scene, epic scene. They blast Shetty's men, they punch them, they hit them. Excellent scene, that one. And literally they go and acquire the land. But friends, our Supan uncle is so smart, he runs away to Kerala. Ajju Varghese gets the beating of his life and is fractured in the hospital. That scene is epic. Trust me, go for this movie, friends. It is very good. You will die laughing in the second half. Well, everyone is fractured sitting there, and they call uncle. Mama, where are you? Why the hell did you escape? He's telling, after hitting somebody in an unknown area, do you expect me to be there? I ran away. You fool. So, friends, uncle goes away, everyone goes away. But the scene starts when, the wife, Aditi Ravi comes back from Bombay. She had gone for training, and she comes to know that the necklace is gone, and the fight from Almara takes place. The fights get so ugly that they leave the house. Everyone goes back to Kerala, and they are going to get divorced. And after 6 months, the divorce is going to take place. Well, friends, the way Supan escapes from all this is epic. Seriously speaking, and the climax where our hero Sunny Wayne goes and stands in front of a cover and tells, everything has happened because of you. Almara, if you're not in my life would have been very nice. Very emotional scene. But what Almara says is that I was nicely lying in the forest. I was nicely in a tree. You guys cut me. You guys made me into an Almara. What is my fault? Well, friends, the climax is what you have to go and watch this movie. What happens in the end? Do they reconcile with each other? Does a divorce take place? How does, Seema Nair, the mother-in-law, does she become good or not? What happens to Ajju Varghese? The climax here is very nice. Don't miss it. It is a must watch for Ajju Varghese. How he meets another girl and what happens is epic. In the end, Final uncle, how he tells, the son not to get married again. Very nice. But for me, the winner of this movie was seriously Manikandan Acharya, Super Mama. And we have someone called as Indran who played Shetty in the movie. There is one more character you're going to fall in love in the movie is Vigilesh. Vigilesh plays this funny photographer in the movie, clicks photos and tells that I'm going to give it late so that he thinks I'm a very big photographer. Fantastic. Coming to the, technical aspects of this movie, the film has been directed by Midun Manuel Thomas. Epic direction, very nice, very new and innovative. The production, there are full-on studios, writing by John Mantrikal, music by Suraj Kurup. There are 2 songs in the movie, very nice. Editing by Lijo Paul is very tight, very gripping. The film is 2 hours, 8-9 minutes and doesn't bore you. That is the main thing. Something new rather than the very grandiose scale of a movie. Very small, low budget movie, shot beautifully in Bangalore. Let me tell you, they have shown Bangalore fantastically in the movie. Epic, very nice. All in all, Alamara is a very, very fresh movie. I have never seen such, real comedy, unintentional comedy ever before. Very nice. If you're looking for a very good time at the ticket window at the box office, go and watch Alamara. It is a paisa vasool film. So how many stars for Alamara? One, two, three, 4 stars for Alamara. It is a flawless movie. The only flaws being that second half the screenplay gets a bit lagging, but that for a very minimum time. And trust me, the lack of songs and the lack of the chemistry between the characters, the main characters, forced me to give it 1 star less. But apart from that, you can literally close your eyes and literally go for 5 people. One, Aju Varghese. Two, Manikandan Achari. Three, Seema Nair, the mother-in-law. Take a bow, ma'am. Epic acting for Final Uncle and the beautiful voice of Salim Kumar, who plays Alamara in the movie. So, friends, if you like my review, please, all Malayalam viewers, all Malayalam audiences, feel free to comment in the comment section below any questions. I'm ready to answer. And please hit the subscribe button. If you hit it, you get the reviews every week very fast. So, friends, keep watching Bollywood this week. Like and subscribe to my channel.